go over how to refill one of these Bamboo Labs refillable spools with a roll of refill filament. So first of all, you'll notice that the spool, if you grab both ends and rotate it, it comes into two pieces. Very important to notice there's a little notch right there. I'm going to set that down so I can see that. Okay, and then get the filament out. This happens to be matte PLA. Up to keep our dexicant. And it comes with a little label. We'll go over that in a second. Alright, you want to handle these carefully. You don't want to get them coming undone. Now I'm looking for a notch. There'll be a notch. And there's the notch right there. I need to move this over, because the little band is covering up the notch. Okay, whatever you do, do not take these bands off yet. Okay, but now I've got the notch exposed, and that's your RFID tag. That's what the AMS reads to know exactly what filament is in that slot. So now I want to locate this notch with that notch. When I drop it down onto the spool, like that, right? Easy peasy. Then you take the other side of the spool, you drop it down, and you can feel it, it dropped in. If you don't have the thing lined up, it won't go down, then all of a sudden, there we go. See how it about dropped down? Now you want to keep it, and you want to rotate it till you hear the click. It clicked in, see? Now that you've done that, you can go ahead and you can pull off these little tabs, or I don't know what you want to call them, binders, whatever you want to call them. Grab one of my clips. I'm going to go ahead and put the clip on the filament. You want to keep the attention on all this. You don't want your you don't want to start unspooling on you. I'm going to cut it at a 45-degree angle. Get that out of there. And then I'm going to insert my clip. This is a different clip than what I showed you earlier in the video. I'm trying these now. I sort of like these better. Either one. Now I've got a clip, so now my end just can't start unraveling the way I do it. And then I gotta find the rest of these. There it is. There's a little end. You get a hold of it. Just pull that out. Pull that one out. Come on, baby. I know it's right there. I can almost see it, but I can't get my finger on it. There it is. Okay. There we go. We got them all pulled out. Make sure that it's locked in still. And then we'll go ahead, take our little decal. I like to fold it back a little bit. Okay, that's just about right. Put that on there. Now we know exactly what that is. That's PLA matte. Doesn't say the color, but obviously the color is right there. Okay, I like to put it down a little further. Now this is ready to be used to go in the AMS. And that's really all there is to it, the refilling or refill of the spool.